welcome to the Shared Kitchen. America loves pizza. But what should you have? Should you make it at home? Should you buy it at the grocery store in the frozen section? Or do what everyone else does, pick up your phone and get it delivered? Is it cheaper? Does it taste better? And how convenient is it? Let's find out today. Let's start with the homemade pizza, because I have everything here right now. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna put the salt in the flour, and we're gonna leave that alone. Next, we gotta activate our dry active yeast. So we're gonna put that in a cup of warm water. And yeast, believe it or not, is alive. It needs food, so we need to feed it sugar. So we're gonna give that a little stir. So we gotta let this sit for 1 minute. Here we go. But this doesn't look like pizza dough yet. We have to knead it. The longer you let this rest, even overnight, you're gonna get more flavor out of your crust. I know in the fridge is a long time to wait for your pizza dough to get ready, but believe me, the longer you let it wait, the tastier it's gonna be. Next up, frozen pizza. Everyone knows it. Everyone, I don't know, kind of loves it, I guess. Or else why would they sell it? It's definitely convenient. It's gonna take 28 minutes to cook it in the oven though. So let's see how it stacks up with the rest of them. See ya. And we're back. It's been roughly an hour. I got a little antsy, so I took it out a little bit earlier. Now it's time to make it look like a pizza. Because right now, it doesn't. And once you can almost see through it, you're done. You can get a can of crushed tomatoes for, I don't know, like 80 cents. Sauce, cheese, toppings. They're called toppings because they go on top. Pepperoni. Here we go. Confidence is key when using a pizza paddle. Let's bring this thing to the oven! The vast majority of people on this planet don't have time to make their own pizza. I'm just gonna use a mobile app and order some pepperoni pizza. It might take a little bit of time to use the app. It's pretty convenient, but holy smokes, it's gonna cost me. Of course, the main reason we're doing this is to find out which one tastes better. So we'll have to see how it stacks up against the frozen and the fresh. All of our pizzas are done, the pizza's delivered, and the pizza's out of the oven. So we have our homemade pizza that took us roughly an hour to put together. We have our delivery pizza that took, I don't know, 30 to 40 minutes to get here. And we have our frozen pizza that took exactly 28 minutes from frozen. $5 to $6. Delivery pizza, now I hope you're sitting. This costs $26 and it's a medium. It's crazy. Frozen pizza, and that was on sale for a nice price of $7.99. Money is a big thing, but flavor is also equally as big. Let's get some of my colleagues in here to see which one they want to eat and which ones they don't want to eat. Well, let's give this a shot here. It smells good.
Okay, so that's really good. And it looks nice. It looks like something that you would get maybe at a restaurant.
Tastes delicious. That is really good pizza.
It's good too. But a little saltier.
You know, you can't beat that delivery taste you get when you order pizza. And so this one's the store-bought pizza. Even just looking at it, you can kind of see the crust looks a little bit harder. The pepperonis seem a bit more processed. It just doesn't really sit as well. But who knows, maybe it'll taste really good. Let's try it out.
It's not great. This is the winner, for sure. Homemade all the way.
This just has a whole lot more love in it, so I'm gonna take the homemade any day.
Well, there you go. We've tried all the pizzas. The thing is, maybe on the weekend you can make it because it does take time. And you know, a weekday, you're tired, order a pizza. And if you're at the grocery store, just walk away from the frozen pizza. You know, let us know what you think. Comment which one you like. Share it to your buddies and let them know what do they like.